Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? Well, I've got all kinds of little funny noises going on in the background here. I hear a little bird or something. Listen. He's pecking on the inside of my roof. I guess that's a bird. Okay, so what am I doing? What do you think? It's, Ulta. Okay, so it's like, Beth, what could you possibly need? Not one single thing. But I went in because I tried this new, I had ordered this. This was the new Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream. And if you ordered it, then you also got the Confidence in a Compact free. And I thought, well, I am trying to try new moisturizers because my Chanel is so expensive. And so I thought I'll try it. So I got it. It is a little sticky and a little over moisturizing. I don't know what all's in it. It's probably all good stuff because I do trust that It Cosmetics has a lot of things like hyaluronic acid and peptides and just all kinds of stuff in it. Let me see if it says. It does not. But if you go on their website, this is the Anti-Aging Armor Rejuvenating Concentrate. So that may be why there's a little bit of stickiness, but I don't like that feeling underneath my makeup. So I decided to try their makeup. And this is Confidence in a Compact Skin Transforming Full Coverage Solid Super Serum 50 Plus SPF Broad Spectrum Physical Sunscreen Anti-Aging Armor Rejuvenative Concentrate. What does it have in it? Does it say? Titanium dioxide, obviously, and zinc oxide. That's the sunscreen blocks, though. Okay, a long list. Okay, so it says in here it has collagen and antioxidant-rich super ceramides. I remember like 20 years ago when Estee Lauder came out with ceramides. It's talc-free, paraben-free, cruelty-free. It's developed by plastic surgeons. SPF 50 plus UVA, UVB broad spectrum physical sunscreen, anti-aging hydrating super serum, and full coverage foundation. So I don't know, besides what I just named, what else is in there. But I gotta say, they always have good stuff. So I had gotten it through the mail, if y'all remember, because I did a haul. But I got it in medium, thinking that would be, you know, right between being as fair as I am and something not quite so white looking. Oh my gosh, it was like almost like yellow brown. So I went back and got fair. And what came with this? Oh, a Tester Confidence in a Cream, which I already have. So it's so funny, with that Confidence in a Cream, you get a full compact. With the full compact, you get this size tester or the Confidence in the Cream. So which do you think is more valuable? Okay. It says open here. And I bet that's for seeing all the ingredients inside of it. But this is the compact. It's a very thick, compact look. But when you open it, you do have the mirror, which I want to take the little thing off so you can actually see when you use this. I'll get it later. Oh, there it is. There's a little thumb thing. They always have one little thumb thing that you can grab. If you have long nails, it says I don't anymore. There. That came off, so now it's a nice pretty mirror. And then it comes with a little pad puff that sits in the lid. So then you open the lid. Oh, wow. Firmly swirl brush or sponge into product to activate solid serum. Okay, so this is a serum. This is not, it's got another thumb thing that you actually pull. Oh my gosh, it's so hard for me, y'all. There. Gosh, it's kind of a yellowy look, but I have it on. I did use the tester in store. So that's what it looks like. It's like a cream foundation. And use this sponge. So let's just use a little bit of it. Firmly. Oh! Well, now it's all over my fingers. On the tops. Huh. Let's put that there. That there. Since it got all over my fingernails, we'll just take that off. Okay, let's just put it on the chin and see how it does. That's full coverage. Okay, we gotta try that again. That barely did anything. Okay. Gosh, it's not even covering the red. Okay, it's filling the pores a little. Wow, it's got so much cream in it, y'all. I think I don't feel the full coverage effect at all. Wow, I feel like the tester in store did better than this. All right, hold on. I'm just going to go right by my, what do you call them? Age spots. Wow, didn't cover them at all. It's not covering the red on my chin at all. This will be a third pack. Let's try it again. No. Wow, it's coming right off. Y'all, I feel like this has got so much cream in it that it's not sticking. And I'm even patting it to try to make it stick. At this point, I would say this is basically a color wash. This is not full coverage at all. Full coverage solid super serum. I don't think of this as full coverage at all. We'll try it another time when I don't have anything else at all else on. Let me clean this off my fingers where I dug in a little too deep. This is the blush that I went for, and I found out, y'all may have heard in the news, that Laura Geller is going out of business. She's going bankrupt. This is Laura Geller, New York. One of my favorite baked blush is Malibu. If you dust it across the top of the bridge of your cheeks, over the bridge of the nose in here, it is a hot pink. So if you use it very sparingly, it looks like you were just out in the sun. But this one is the Baked Blush and Brighten, and this is in the tropical hues. So I'll show you that. It's got a little half mirror inside. That's what tropical hues looks like, and I'm going to try that on. It's got a little bit more shimmer. It's got some light pink, some dark pink, and some gold. And because it's baked, it sits up, and you just mush your brush right on it. And then you smile, smile. And right over the apples of your cheeks. It's very pigmented. Very, as you can see, it's really picking up the color. Put some on my nose, put some under my nose, put some on my chin. You can almost use it also like bronzer because it's got that kind of dark pink in it too. So you can use it for shadowing like you would a bronzer, contouring. We have so many terms for everything. What do y'all think? Wow, that white is white. I mean, I look so bright, and now this blush is so pink. Yep, I'm gonna have to tone that down. But I do like it. I like the color. It's just a little bit much, so we'll use this just to tone it down a bit. Just use a brush with nothing on it. And that just kind of tones it down. There. I used a dark color on my lid today, almost black, and it's quite different for me, so it's a different look. Then, I also got at Ulta this. I was going to get the Urban Decay Reloaded because of one color, and I thought that's silly to pay, what is it, $44. This is, I think, either 7, was it 7 or 15? Hold on. This is the Emily Noel. It was 15. So, huge savings there. This is the Emily Noel The Needs edit. This is a Revolution. Revolution's the brand. And this is the Emily edit called The Needs. And I really like this, and I'm going to tell you why. Listen to the names of this makeup compared to all the usual names you hear in the makeup industry that are so nasty. Courage, joy, gratitude, kindness, honesty, passion, peace, faith, hope, love. And faith, hope, and love, besides being the greatest, these three will stand, and the greatest of these is love. That's scripture. That's what I was like, I wonder if she's a Christian, because all these words describe things that are something I don't mind having that name for my makeup. So you have got a highlighter, a blush, and a contour. You've also got this Honesty color, which you could also use as a blush as well. You've got the three basics here: highlight, transition, and dark. Then Passion's a little bit, it's got some dark sparkle. You could run that under your lashes. And this is just, Kindness is one big, huge highlight, which I really like. And I like it. This is only $15. It's a pretty plastic palette. I I like it. Revolution. And again, it's Emily Noel. Does it have her YouTube name? I know it's Emily Noel, but I think there's a number after it on YouTube. All right, and then I got one more, and this is also by Revolution. This is Makeup Revolution London, and this is Soph X, and it's the Ultra Makeup Pigments. And I like this one as well, and probably for the same reason. First of all, it was only $7. $7 for this palette. And it's got all kinds of good neutral colors, warm colors, some cooler, a couple of brights. It's got some pinks, which you can always use a smaller brush like this and use that because it can actually get in the eye palette and use it as a blush. So you could take this. It's only $7, so if you took it on a trip and it got ruined, oh well. These are very hard to get open, y'all. There. When you don't have nails. Oh, they want you to know that this has been sealed. I opened the box, and now there's another plastic after the plastic that was over the box. Maybe they just want to make sure, oh, there we go, that you did not open this. Nobody opened this. Peel here for ingredients. Oh, that's what the peel heres are on the products now. Okay, this is, again, Soph X. I really like this. These are just some good bright colors for spring, summer. I like them. It's got some hot pink here and some coral. I'm coming! Some, like a fuchsia sparkle, a gray sparkle. But it's still got your highlights, transitions, and basic darks and a dark black. With this, again, you could use a smaller face brush and get to these three colors and use it for blush. And again, these could be palettes that you take with you in a purse. They're super lightweight. It's lightweight plastic. And it's just good palettes. I like them. I think that's all I got, y'all. Oh, no, wait. I did also get the Fame palette by ColourPop. So I guess I'll go into that too. Let's see how it did. This one was, how much was this one?